Hey, what's up? It's your girl Brittany. Welcome back to another video, guys. If you guys are a new subscriber or returning subscriber, hey y'all, I'm so excited to bring you guys this travel vlog because guess where I'm at? Guess where I'm at? Bitch, I'm in Jamaica with the vibes. I'm in Jamaica and I'm so excited, guys. I'm literally staying at the riumontegobay. And when I was here earlier this year, at the end of the vlog, I was like, when I come back, I'll be staying at this resort because this resort is like, it's like a party resort. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing for this whole entire week, partying, turning up, excursions. I'm just so excited to bring this great content to you guys. I'm here in Jamaica. We just, well, not just touched down, maybe like an hour ago. And I just freshened up and took a shower and did a light beat because we're about to go downstairs and like explore the resort. And plus we're hungry. And I'm just so excited to be here. And I'm just so thankful, guys, because plus I'm here with my girls. God. Bitch, we turning up. We're here for a whole entire week, all inclusive. We're about to have the time of our lives. Guys, come say hi to my vlog.
First one was too cold, so
everyone say hi to the...
Hi.
No, I need a proper hi. I need a twirl. We need an outfit. I need you to give the girls.
My titties in it? I
Yes, please. Hello. Okay, guys, so I'm with Angel. I'm sharing a room with her, of course, and then I'm here with Michaela.
Hi.
And then Ellen's in the room getting ready, and I'm about to put on my clothes. I don't know what to wear, but we're not really doing anything. We're just gonna go and walk around the resort and get something to eat and see the activities that they have going on, and yeah. Let's take a shot.
Shut the fuck.
Michaela?
This would be my fourth drink.
Are you serious?
2 beers. I've had. Yeah. What?
Because there's beer.
The beers go to waste?
There's beer in our fridge.
For nobody.
She was drinking the Red Stripe, and then guys, we also have like a mini bar that they gave us.
The Pilsner's gross.
Okay, well, I poured some shots out for us, so let's start this day. It's 3 p.m. Let's get this day started. Don't mind the room, guys. We unpacked, please.
What is this? Vodka or gin?
Gin, Smirnoff, rum, or what's Kingston?
Scotch.
Scotch. Have you ever had Scotch?
I like it. Black Label.
Take a cheers, guys. Cheers to a good vacation with good people and fun memories, guys.
Ellen's coming.
Okay, we'll take another one. It's okay. We need to...
You gave it to Michaela.
I did. That's really bad. I can... Okay.
Thank you.
That we checked into this room. How long ago you want to say? 3 hours ago?
Pretty much.
And we still have yet to leave the room. I had to do a whole outfit change because I just feel like I was doing too much for the day. We all did like a few outfit changes. How much did you take?
Just one big shot, like 2 double.
I just took 2. We can go drink at the bar downstairs. Like, this room has us in a hostage, guys. We have to go.
Talk street art, sarcasm. Crash humor and high fashion. Peach color moon glistens the black thickness. As we laugh over shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, you for damn, would you rather? No flame, the thrill and no shame. Drug, sex, and Polaroid, pick a star in the
I'm trying to say there's nobody on the resort. Bitch, you have me and alcohol. And if we want, we can leave this resort and turn up tonight.
You're right. We can go and get food from there.
2 hours later.
Guys, why did after the pool, we all said we're gonna come to the room, take a quick little nap before our reservations at this Italian place tonight. And bitch, we fell asleep and didn't wake up. So I think they closed at 10 o'clock. To go eat at the buffet, which they're having spicy night tonight, but it's like it closes in 20 minutes as well. But we were tired, like we were drained.
We were drained. Like, I don't
You don't understand, like our flight was literally so early, we did not sleep at all. Like this heat outside is no joke. Not us making excuses, girl. I'm joking, you know, we were actually tired.
You go power for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I think.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm right over here. I'm just telling my people, good morning, guys. This is day 2. I just woke up and we're about to go get ourselves some breakfast right now. What did we end up doing yesterday? Yesterday we just ate at the buffet and then went to the club on the resort. And the club was actually, it was lit in there. It was cute in there. But we only stayed there for like 15 minutes. And we just got a drink and then headed up because guess what? We want to save our energy for today. We took it real easy on the first night, but now we're really about to get into some things, okay? Hey guys, so we just finished eating breakfast and the breakfast was actually way better than the dinner. Way better. But now we're getting ready to go downstairs and go to the pool. Today's Rio's foam party, so we're about to see. Okay, this is my outfit for the pool party. I'm just wearing this orange bikini from Shein and then this brown skirt from there as well. And then, oh my god, not the whole outfit from Shein too, and these slippers. We're about to get some drinks before we head down to that pool because...
Thank you.
Can I get a lime, please? Okay, cheers!
Wait, I don't have
Cheers, bro.
That's it for the first one. I didn't even finish it.
Why isn't it done?
Because it's too much. I know.
Alright. Finish the shot. Drink up. You guys are moving too slow for right now. I'll just take your shit.
Girl, you know I like to bun shoes.
You like to what? Day 2. We're choosing some good vibes.
October 11th, October 12th, and 13th, and 14th, I was intoxicated. I drank all of those days. I drank.
I know, you like to sip.
I sip out at night. I don't want it to spill on me. Okay, number 2. Well, it's number 3 actually.
Make sure the rhythm box in. All right now. I can do that too. Miss Jamaica. Miss Jamaica. Miss Jamaica. All right.
I'm out of time. That's the one my ride.
I told you already. I know what I told you. All right. My students are block. Exchange. Push it out.
We are vibing and having an amazing time, guys. Michaela, I'm too sober for this.
Me too.
Girl. So 2 shots? 2 shots, girl. You can hide it in that room. 2 shots.
Tequila, okay?
Tequila tonight. Tequila. You We're taking shots, guys. Come. Where's the rest of it?
Wait, we need 4 more. We're missing 4. He's getting our other 4.
Yes, please.
We went from 4 to 6 to 8.
To 8. All of us are drinking. Good morning, guys. I don't know where I left off this vlog yesterday, but what I went through yesterday, I'm not doing again. After breakfast, we went down to the pool. We went to the foam party. I showed you guys. What did I do to myself? After the foam party, I was just taking shots back to back to back to back to back. I was doing way too much, and I literally just came upstairs and passed out, missed the dinner reservations, and felt sick. I still feel sick, but I have to get ready to go on this boat that's gonna leave at 8 a.m. and I'm not doing that today. I'm so happy that I just got drunk, got that out of the way. The rest of the trip, 5 shots max. That's it. I'm not gonna be doing what I did yesterday. So scared for myself. Anyways guys, now I'm about to beat my face and get ready because the boat is going to leave soon. And yeah, it should be fun. I just wish that I was in like I felt better. I took some electrolytes and some vitamins, but because the boat is leaving at 8 a.m. I think I only have like 20 minutes to get ready, guys. And yeah, so I'll see you when I'm all dressed and when we head down to that boat.
Guys, we're here to have a good time today. Someone say, yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about, son. You're really good. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Chaka. Welcome to the #1 party boat. Now today we got 3 full stop to make. Everyone looking good. Let's start the party right now. Everyone put your hands up and say, oh, na, 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 na. Oh, na, 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 na. Welcome to Jamaica. What's happening to me? Put your picture on my mirror. When somebody said your name. People, we're gonna be drinking, we're gonna be smoking, let's go. Just give me the light and cross the door. Everyone get involved. Alright, do it with the fight. Everyone, let's go.
We made it to Dead River Falls and we're debating going up or not. But I already climbed this twice and I'm sorry, but I'm a little hungry. I can't, I don't have any water shoes. I forgot them at the hotel. I think that's gonna take a lot of my energy and I didn't eat since yesterday. But do it with them. I'm gonna vibe on the beach. Are you
I'm gonna have a smoke over here and then I'm gonna go in the water and we can take some pictures from the bottom of the
yeah,
falls.
or we can also climb up and get a better view of it too. At this side, right there, look at the stairs, and we can get a better view of it. Let's tell them about our boat party. That was so much fun.
I'm not gonna lie to y'all.
It was a good vibe. The music was good. It had like alcohol. They were giving around drinks. That was a good vibe.
Everybody was so cool.
And they were so nice. We made some friends that are actually at our resort.
We did.
And we might go out with them tonight. That was fun.
It's a fun time.
If you guys are in Jamaica, do the catamaran boat party. All inclusive. It was
boat party period.
It was $150. They pick you up, they drop you off. Mr. Brown is done. He's saying you guys took too long. But guys, do it. It was $150. They pick you up, they drop you off. You get lunch inclusive, drinks in it, zip lining, boat party, good ass vibe. Hello. Hello, my beautiful people. Hey guys, so we just got back into the room after a very long and eventful day. It was so much fun, guys. You guys are sliding. Wow. Perfect. Okay, yeah, so today was so much fun, guys. Honestly, like, it was one of the best days we had so far. Wow. I got bit up on my arm and I'm about to take a shower and get ready for tonight because we're gonna have some Italian food.
2 hours later.
Hello guys, so I just finished getting ready for the reservation tonight at the Italian restaurant. I'm actually really happy that my makeup and my hair came out super cute because I didn't have to rush to get ready. So I'm just in a good ass mood right now and I'm gonna take some pictures. Hold on. This two-piece set is from Shein and so is this bag. Okay.
Honestly, as long as it tastes better than it looks.
How was the food, guys? She said hers is good. I low-key wish I got white pasta. I don't like red sauce. Yeah, the red sauce looks better. Hello, my beautiful people. We are about to head out to Mobay Strip. Okay. We're gonna go to Margaritaville because it's ladies' night. If y'all don't know what Mobay Strip is, it's basically where like all the clubs and like lounges and restaurants and all that fun stuff is. So I'm about to head out there and we're gonna see where this night takes us, y'all. I'm ready to get drunk and turn up.
I changed my mind. Yep.
What happened?
Our destiny. She says our destiny. She get next to me. This a girl I want flex with me, rest with me, nothing less to see. So me give her the best of me. The girl I want like a gypsy. One more shot and she get tipsy. She have the itsy, the real itsy. Circle down on your lady. Me just say you a drive me.
Hello guys, it's the fact that I've been in bed all day. But I don't want to overwork myself. Like, if I'm not in the mood to go down the stairs, I haven't even ate, then I'm just honestly not in the mood. Last night we came home at like 6 o'clock in the morning and we were supposed to go river rafting for like 11 o'clock. We were never making that river rafting for today. So we're gonna go tomorrow, hopefully. We need to book it in the morning. Yeah. Right now I'm just in bed. Tonight is the Rio neon party and then we're gonna leave the resort, go get some food and then go to the club. I just feel like for all this partying tonight, I need a quick nap before I do that. Last night was fun though. We ended up going to Margaritaville because they had ladies night. That was fun. We got some drinks, we met some friends. That was like good vibes. And then we went to like an after hours 24/7 spot that stays open, like the strip club, and got a bottle and it was different. Strip club is definitely a little different down here. I'm gonna see you guys later when my makeup is on and I'm getting ready and I'm gonna figure out what to wear.
Can we take a snap in this, please?
Neon party! Guys, today is Jasmine's birthday. She's turning 24. We want to say happy birthday! Okay, let's taste this drink. That is really good.
Yeah, man, you're good, man. You're active. Fire.
I'm so excited.
Are you?
Yeah, girl.
I don't like how wobbly this one is. I don't know.
We're okay, baby. We're gonna be
I'm scared, Ellen. About to turn up on this raft. We need a drink.
yeah, that song's stuck in my head. Okay, we were blazing fire, but
This is nice.
this is nice. I hope we get some sun.
It's so
Bitch, where is the sun? Why is it cloudy?
there's so many bushes around here. I mean trees. This is our home.
Yeah. All right. I'm rolling with the right man.
Up to 5 for my yarn. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind, it runs. All these thoughts of trouble.
Not us finishing the river rafting when it's so dark outside. How was your experience? Did you enjoy that?
Oh, I loved it.
That was really fun. It was really relaxing. We got the limestone massage and our legs feel so smooth, darling. $10 for the rum punch.
How much did you give? $4.
Guys, we're so tired, but like we have to force ourselves to go out because it's Saturday and we only have a few days left on vacation. But bitch, we're tired.
Bitch, I'm done. Bitch, listen to me. After this, I don't ever want to see the club ever again.
Literally. We have to make the most of tonight because Jazz is leaving tomorrow and
That's the reason why I'm going for Jasmine, baby. I'll be in bed tonight.
literally. Well, they were taking pictures downstairs and I was taking a nap.
And my voice, like I'm losing my voice. It's just a bad.
Can you relax?
I will walk back up these stairs, bitch, and take my ass to bed.
Stop. Good morning, guys. Today is the last day and oh my god, I don't want to leave and go back to reality and go back to real life. But we're gonna make the best out of today. I'm about to go downstairs and get the Pepe jerk next to the beach because I heard that that is the best food on this resort and I have yet to try it. So we're gonna go downstairs and eat that. Can you guys see me? Cute, super cute. All white with this white bag and then some sandals.
Yeah, you can walk around like you get
Like that, boy, they got trash. It's so flat, it's so flat, mister.
How deep is only 4 feet?
What if you can't swim?
Stand up. What if you can't stand up?
I can't stand up. I'm too scared. I can't stand up. 4 feet's a little too high. Maybe if it was like 3 feet.
5 feet.
I am 5'9". This one is 6 feet. Oh my god, I'm jealous.
I don't know. I'm a little bit intimidated. I don't know if I'd be able to.
You can do it.
I cannot swim.
But you're tiny. I forgot. It's 4 foot. No, but if you go in the water, can't you like push? Girl, they said that water slide, that drop right there is steep and it hurts. I'm just reporting. Because y'all already know, me with water, anxiety. Can't do it.
Only on them seas if it's breeze. Red ruby the sleeves, Chinese on my sleeve. These wanna be Chun-Lees anyway, yee-how. Who the fuck told bitches they was me now? I knew these bitches was slow, I ain't know these bitches see now. Married a shooter case you niggas tried to breathe loud. Boom your face off, then I tell them ceasefire. I'm the A.B.
Hold it, hold it, hold it. Run with it, run with it now. Run with it, run with it. Become something, run with it. Yo, 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 yo.